Hi, this is Wen from Wen Guo Presents Group. Today we're showcasing 127 West 38th Avenue in San Mateo. Are you looking for a new build or fully renovated home in west side of San Mateo? This is it. So glamorous that I can't wait to share all the details with you here. Come on over. After you walk in the handcrafted grand entrance, we'll find this open floor plan with vaulted ceiling and all the fire sprinkler that only new construction would have. Into the kitchen, we'll find the built-in refrigerators and oversized hood and 48 inches range, built-in microwave, built-in wine fridge, and Bosch dishwasher. And don't miss out this thick-cut granite and marble countertop. There are 45-degree miter joints, not the regular prefab material that you'll find. Definitely high-end construction right here. So this house has 4-bedroom ensuite. You hear it right. Every bedroom has a bathroom on its own, and every bedroom also has one or more closets. Every closet has high-end built-in organizers. It's wonderful to have. Plus, there's a powder room in the main floor for all the guests. Is there more hidden secrets in this house? There's actually a ton. For example, this flooring looks normal, but it's actually radiant heated. In the powder room, the toilet has motion sensor. In the crawl space, there's actually hidden air conditioning and the furnace. This house also uses tankless water heater, so it's very space saving and energy efficient. One last thing I would like to share with you is this beautiful 2-car garage. Nice setup of laundry system, and look at this massive shoe closet for your purse and shoes. Not to mention there's a level 2 EV charging station and also more attic space for storage. This is perfect for nowadays lifestyle. Thank you so much for viewing the video with us. If you would like to take a look at the house or have any questions, please feel free to contact us. 感谢您跟我们一起参观这个4房4.5卫的大豪宅，里外全新家建装修，格局开朗明亮，現代風格，廚房高端配置，簡直係5星級嘅豪宅啊！呢度行街食飯一樣咁方便，快啲過嚟參觀下啦！